This is front load washing machine Bosch series 4 9 kg 1400 rpm, and it has special options like iron steam assist, reduce wrinkles by 50% with steam care. So this is the model number. So let's start. This is for the main wash, this is for the fabric softener, and this is for the pre-wash. As you see here, 200 ml, 150 ml, 100 ml, 50 ml. If you are using the detergent liquid, then just keep down and fill the detergent here, liquid. You see here 2 lines, here you have to fill the detergent liquid. This is for the main wash. This is for fabric softener, for the smell and for the softening of clothes. And this is for pre-wash, if you want to do the pre-wash before main wash. So if your clothes are lightly soiled, you can use the detergent here, but if your clothes are more soiled, more dirty, then you can fill the detergent here, and you can fill the detergent here as well. This lid you have to keep it down, because if you are using the liquid, you have to keep it down. But if you don't want to use the liquid and if you want to use the powder, just make it this one up, so you can fill the powder here. Okay, that's it. And if you want to remove this drawer for detergent, you just press here like this and you can remove it. You see this one, you can remove it easily. You can wash it, clean it, and put it back. And this is from where the water comes in. It is from this place, and the water and detergent goes from here and also from here. There are 2 ways, from here and from here, both sides. So let me close this one and let's see the programs. So I close this one. So these are the programs 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So these are the 14 programs. All this program has different fabric, so different texture, different material, so that's why the temperature, rpm and time will be different, and the weight also it will be different. So let me select cotton. For example, once I select the cotton, you can see here the digital screen appears, the temperature it's here, and the rpm. This is for the rotation, revolution per minute. The washing process finish, it will spin the drum to remove the water from the clothes to get like maximum dry. So this is rpm 1400 maximum, and this is the timer. Okay, and also it will show you the weight, like how much weight you can use. 3 hours 29 minutes, 9 kg you can use maximum in this 9 kilo of washing machine, which is 1400 rpm maximum, series 4 Bosch. So these are the programs. So whatever program you want cotton, cotton eco. For example, this cotton, right, 3 hours 29 minutes, 9 kg. This is cotton eco, 1 hour 45 minutes. Like it will be less time, 1 hour 45 minutes for 9 kg. Okay, but the temperature goes for 60 degree. But for cotton, regular cotton, it's 40 degree. The rpm was same. So then there is easy care. This easy care is 40 degree temperature, 1000 rpm, 2 hour 27 minutes. Mixed load, 40 degree temperature, 1400 rpm, 4 kg, 1 hour timer. Wool, 30 degree temperature, 800 rpm, 2 kg, you can wash maximum 41 minutes. Delicate and silk, 30 degree temperature, 600 rpm, 2 kg you can wash within 39 minutes. This is rinse program only, 1000 rpm, 22 minutes. Then there is spin and drain, 1000 rpm, 13 minutes. Then there is a drum clean option, 1000 rpm, 1 hour 10 minutes. You can just clean the drum without any clothes, without loading any clothes inside the drum. And this is duvet, 40 degree temperature, 1000 rpm, 2.5 kg, 1 hour 29 minutes. And then this is the most used program, 15 minutes and also 30 minutes. So this is 30 minutes, you can wash 4 kg, 800 rpm, 30 degree temperature. But if you want 15 minutes, you just press the speed perfect button. It will be 2 kg for 15 minutes, and 30 minutes it will be 4 kg maximum you can use. If you use more than that, the washing program, the washing result will be not good. So if you use the correct amount of load, you will get the best results as per the program. Then I select the shirts. This is 40 degree temperature, 800 rpm, 2 kg, 1 hour 6 minutes. Then there is allergy plus program, 60 degree temperature, 1000 rpm, 6.5 kg you can use, 2 hours 59 minutes, almost 3 hours. Then this is the steam program, which is not washing program. It's a refreshing clothes program to reduce the wrinkles up to 50% while producing the steam. So it will not wash the clothes, it will refresh your clothes by steam only. Okay, it will remove the wrinkles 50%, up to 50%. Within 23 minutes, 1.5 kg, and 19 minutes, it will be 200 gram only. So if you load 200 gram clothes, dry clothes only, within 19 minutes, it will remove the wrinkles and it will refresh your clothes. But if you use 23 minutes, it will be 1.5 kg maximum you can use. This is how it works. So these are the main programs. But this side, if you see, it has extra customization, extra options. You can select if you want. If you don't want, you can ignore it. So for example, I select the cotton here, example. So, and if I want to start the program, I will just press the button start. That's it. It will start working. Suppose if I want mix, I will select the mix and then just I press the start. It will start washing. Maybe I want super 15, super 30 program. For example, I want the fastest program because I don't have time. I'm in a hurry. Then I will select the 15 minutes program. 2 kg I can wash. Then just I press start. That's it. It will start working. It will start washing. That's it. But what if I select cotton? The program is 3 hours 29 minutes. So what are these extra options? In this one, the program I have select already. I have chosen already the cotton program. This is anti-stain. What is anti-stain? Suppose any type of stain on your clothes, it will remove, like cosmetic, blood, oil, coffee. Suppose you are drinking coffee and some stain of coffee fell on your clothes. It will remove from your clothes coffee stains if you select this option and you press start. That's it. Or you have cosmetic stains like lipstick, foundation, it will remove. You select this one and you press start. It will remove it. Suppose you have blood on your clothes, you will select this blood option and you press start. It will remove the blood. And suppose you have oil on your clothes, then you can select the oil program, oil option, and then press start. That's it. So it will remove the stain. And this is okay. Let me remove this one. This is temperature. Already the temperature and RPM is set preset. But if you want to if you want to increase or decrease, you can decrease from here like 20 degree minimum. And this is cold wash. Some dark clothes, they don't want hot water, so you can make you can choose this cold wash program, normal tap water. Okay, so it will not remove the color from dark color of clothes. And the maximum temperature you can select 90 degree if you want. That is from your side. And this is RPM. After washing process finish, it will go for a spin. So maximum spinning is 1400 revolution per minute, 1400 RPM. So it will remove the water from clothes by rotating the drum, like within 1 minute 1400 times it will rotate. So maximum is 1400, then 1000, then 800, then 600, 400. So how much RPM you want, you can choose as per the clothes. This is nothing. Then there is pre-treatment. What is pre-treatment? As I told you before, when you select this pre-treatment, there are two options. This is for soaking your clothes. If the clothes are very dirty, you can select the soaking option. It will soak the clothes. Then after that, it will start washing your clothes if that cloth has more soil. And also there is pre-wash option. This is for pre-wash. If you remember this symbol, this icon in the detergent drawer, this is the same icon. There is one line. Okay, so you have to fill the detergent here and detergent here. Then you can choose this one. After choosing the main program, you can choose this one, pre-treatment, and then just press start. That's it. It will start working. So now for now I will remove it. Then this is easy iron. Easy iron, when you choose it, the light will appear again, same like others. So it will wash your clothes very gently so that your clothes won't get many wrinkles. Okay, and once you remove your clothes, you can easily iron your clothes. This is called easy iron. Okay, and there is ready in. Let me remove this easy iron. Then there is ready in. Ready in means, suppose this is same like delay timer. Suppose now it's 9 o'clock and if you want to use after 10 hours, you want to start your washing machine to wash your clothes. So after 10 hours, it will start washing your clothes. Then you have to set the like 13-hour program. After 10 hours, it will start washing your program and it will finish within 13 hours. So this is called delay timer. And in Bosch, it is called as ready in. So the program, for example, for 3 hours, it will start working after 10 hours and it will finish within 13 hours. This is delay timer. If you want, you can select. If you don't want, you can remove it. Okay. And this is the speed perfect time. So when you select the cotton program, this is example I will show you. 2 hours 53 minutes for 9 kg. But if you don't have time, you can press again speed perfect time like this. Example, 1 hour 54 minutes. Time reduced already. It goes for 1 hour 54 minutes for how many kg? 5 kg. 1 hour 54 minutes for 5 kg, 2 hour 53 minutes for 9 kg. So this speed perfect is for reducing the time. So it will work for most of the program, but not for all the programs here. Some selected programs you can use this is speed perfect. Not only speed perfect, all these extra options for some selected programs you can use it. Then there is, and this speed perfect is very useful for this super 15 and super 30 also to reduce the time. And this is start and reload option, which means suppose you add the clothes in, you open the door, you add the clothes, you fill the detergent, and you select the program and you start the program. And after some time, while washing, the process in the wash cycle, and you realize that you need to add your clothes or you want to remove your clothes. So suppose for example socks or undergarments or anything you want to add or you want to remove from the drum. For other, mostly other brands, you cannot remove or you cannot open the door because it will be locked. But in this option of this Bosch washing machine, you can press the reload button. So if it is in wash cycle, the door, the washing machine will sound like tuck. Then you can open the door, you can add the clothes or you can remove the clothes from the washing machine. This is reload. That's it. And there is one more option in this washing machine. I will tell you about this one. You see this symbol here. Do you see this symbol here? This is 3-second child lock. If you press the ready in and speed perfect at the same time, and if you hold for 3 seconds, it will lock. For example, I press this one now. 3, 2, 1. Now it is locked. Nothing will change. The program setting will not change. See here, it will not change because this child lock appears here. Because sometimes, you know, if the kids, they play with the washing machine control settings, so it will not change. But in case if you want to unlock, you have to hold it for 3 seconds again, like this. 3, 2, 1. Khalas. This is disappeared now. That's it. If some lights are blinking, means it's not selected. If it is stop, if it is appearing, it means you have selected the program option. So this is Bosch washing machine series 4. This is glass here from inside, and from outside it's plastic cover also. Okay, it has inverter motor which has 10 years warranty, and also it has service flap. This one, this is to drain out the water. Suppose if any water remains inside the washing machine, you can just remove the cap and you can keep something down, a bowl, and you can remove the water. And this is, you just open this one, there will be coin button pins, and this is for emergency door open. And if you see at the other side, this is not just a design, it is side panels to reduce the vibration and to reduce noise. And before starting the washing machine, you should remove this. You know, most of the people, they doesn't know about this one. They buy the washing machine and plug and start the washing machine, and their washing machine starts jump. This is the reason you have to remove the transport bolt. So there are 4. One, you have to remove this one completely, take it out. This one, and this one from the back side of this washing machine. Okay, you have to remove this 4 completely. And this is the drain out pipe. This is from where the dirty water comes out. Okay, this is like spiral, and this is water inlet connection you have to connect. I will show you. This is, you have to connect. Okay, one side in the tap water connection, and one side at the back side of the washing machine. And it has wave drum. Okay, the drum is wave drum. This washing machine drum, it will sense the weight and the cloth type, then it will give the water. So how much clothes you put inside the drum, that much water it will distribute as per the weight of the clothes. And also you have to adjust the 4 fits, this one and the back side. If you set it properly at the ground level, then your washing machine will not vibrate. So this is the Bosch made in Turkey model series 4, but if you want a video on series 8, this is series 8, okay, made in Germany model, then let me know. I will make the next video.